Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel. So as you know, there's a trending on YouTube right now. It is called I Tried Following, as I am going to follow Jaclyn Hill's makeup tutorial on her own Jaclyn Hill palette. She's one of the YouTubers that I follow, and I've been really inspired with her video. I've been following her, watching her video since the beginning of time, and she's just very inspiring, and I think she's really pretty, and I'm not as good as her. She's a professional makeup artist, so easy on the judgment, guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
I'm going to start off with MFEO. It is the 4th shade in the palette, and this is a matte kind of medium tone warm brown. I created the shade specifically. So taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to start off right here in the upper crease, which is the transition area.
Alright, so she says she's going to use the 4th, right? So I'm using the 4th one. I don't think there's a reason for me to show you guys which one is it, as she's already showing it on her video. So
Alright, next I'm going to go in with the shade Butter, which is the 2nd color in the 2nd row. Sorry, I'm not meaning to flip you guys off right now. That's just the finger that popped up. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of a denser brush. This is the M441 by Morphe. I'm going to pick a little bit of that up and just go right over that area. The reason that I chose this color, Butter, as opposed to the other ones is because this one does have a lot more of like an orangey, really warm tone to it. And I don't want it to be as much brown as I want it to be a very kind of orangey and Then I'm going to pick up the shade Pukey, which is right here, the center of the palette. I still can't believe that I actually named the shade Pukey. And I'm just going to run that over everything that I just did, because this really warm, like caramel brown is just really going to warm this up and also deepen it. And I'm just keeping it nice and low.
Okay, so she said take the Pukey. I gotta admit it, this is kind of like a cute name to name a color, Pukey. It's something that I would do too, so. Alright, let's see. Oh, this is a really nice color. By the way, excuse my nails. I haven't done my nails in like a long time because I'm like busy being lazy, that's why. I think so far so good, guys. Alright, let's do this. What's next?
Take some translucent powder on a small angled brush right now, and I am just going to use this to carve out where I want my shadow to stop so that nothing gets messy. I do this all the time.
I don't really have that kind of brush, but let's see what I can use. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And what brush am I going to use that small? It sucks that I don't have it. I have the same thing, but I don't think it's as thin. You see? It's like quite thick, so I don't really want to use that. Maybe I should use this one. Let's see what's next.
Now I'm going to go in with the shade Roxanne, which is one of my favorite colors in the palette. It is this beautiful, just like kind of deep, very matte brick red. I'm picking up an M573. It's like a little bit more tapered, but it's still like very long and a great blending brush. I'm going to go ahead and just start popping this right there. Corner, keeping it really low and nice and deep.
Okay, like what she said. so nice and deep. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so now let's see what's next.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Hunts, which is such a beautiful, just like rich, intense, like deep orange. It is so creamy and so pigmented. A tiny bit goes such a long way. And now with Hunts, I'm just gonna go over pretty much everything in the upper crease area just to really make it a lot more orange as opposed.
Color. All right, let's see what's next.
Pick up a little bit of Creamsicle right here, which is another matte shade. So far I have used only mattes this entire tutorial, and I'm gonna take barely any of that on my brush and just go over the edges again, just right there at that point where everything is coming to an end, just to make sure that we have what? No harsh lines.
I like it when you do that. What? No harsh lines. All right, so let's do it. Let's take away all that harsh lines. Let's see what's next. I really like
Roxanne, which is this really dark kind of like brick rusty copper shade, and it is a shimmer. I'm gonna pick this up on a MAC 242 brush right here, and I'm also going to wet my brush with Fix Plus. You don't have to do this. The spray that you do have will do the job. And I'm just gonna pack this color on all over the entire lid area.
All right, so I'm gonna take that. I also have the Fix Plus because I love it too. Alright, so let's do this. So nice. Alright.
Now I'm going to pick up a little bit of Firework and Queen, and I'm gonna mix both of these together. Like a little dab of this one first, and then I'll take a little bit of Queen on my, I'm gonna pop that right here in the center of my lid. Oh my gosh, yes.
That is so nice. Alright, so what's next? I'm liking this, but I'm not as good as her, and I could never do as good as her. That is so nice. I'm like looking at her. She's so beautiful.
Okay, I'm just gonna wipe away now like, any of that translucent powder that is still under there.
Alright, let's see.
I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line now, but I will probably most definitely actually come back up and do a little bit more work on the, picking up a pencil brush, I'm gonna grab the shade Pinky and just kind of connect what I did on the upper lid to the lower lash line.
She used the Pinky and put it on her lower lash line, so let's do that too. Love it.
I'm gonna grab some Mocha, which is this matte, dark, kind of fudgy brown down there on the second to last row on a definer brush. I'm just gonna put that directly on my lower lash line.
I like that. Let's do that. Let's make that happen.
I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Roxanne and Hunt, just a pinch of each, just a wee little bit on my pencil brush, and I'm just gonna go on this entire lower lash and just blend all that out.
Okay. Whew. Let's do that. Let's do whatever she's doing. Alright, so let's see what is
Gosh,
next.
I love it. Alright, I'm just going to go back in with a little bit more translucent powder just to make sure that this is nice and crisp and tight in there. I'm going to do a little bit more work on my upper lid, and I just don't want anything to get messy. So I'm just going to take all the steps of precaution. I'm just going to go back in with Roxanne and Hunts on a blending brush, and I'm just going to pack it just a little bit more intense right out here in the outer corner.
So now what's next? Let's see.
Okay, now for highlighting my brow bone, I'm going to go in with the first shade in the palette, which is just like so creamy and so satin in the tiniest bit. Like I barely even touch my skin. Take the same shade and I'm going to pop that on the inner corner of the eye.
Now let's move on to inner corner. Woo.
Cannot go a day without inner corner highlight. Are you kidding me? I love it so much. I'm mixing a little bit of the second color in the palette, which is the shade Beam, because it has a little bit of a more yellow undertone. I'm going to mix that for that inner corner.
Alright, so
I'm going to go in with Flutter Lash Intoxicating. These are some of my favorite lashes ever. They are so long and fluffy and flirty.
Okay, so she's going to put on a lash without putting eyeliner. The thing is, she can do that because she has perfectly even eyelids. I don't. I need an eyeliner to make an illusion of a perfectly even eyelid. And yeah, this is something that I would not follow, and I would probably go ahead and try to put on my liquid liner and then put on my eyelashes. Alright, so yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now I am back with my lashes, and she is right, lashes could do wonders. And yeah, so the lashes that she has, I don't have it, so I'm doing the Dodo lashes in number 511. Oh, sorry, 115. D115. So
let me tell you, now I'm gonna put a little bit of black liquid liner in my lower waterline just to really like deepen and intensify this look, which you do not have to do at all. You can just do mascara, of course, and be good to go, but I wanna really make this look extra. What's new? I'm gonna take a little bit of the Maybelline Blackest Black Gel Liner.
For me, I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics Black Liner, and this is called Black Track, and yeah.
I'm gonna go in with some bronzer by ColourPop. This is the Highlight Bronzer Duo in the shade Topaz. I'm gonna be using a Morphe R2 as my bronzer.
Okay, so now I don't know if I'm gonna use my e.l.f. contour palette or should I use another bronzer. I think I'll just use this one, the same one. So let's do it, guys.
Then I'm going to take another ColourPop highlighting blush duo. I don't even know what this one is called, honestly, but I'm just going to grab some of this. Why did I just put this on that brush? I am so dumb. That is not a...
Okay, so I don't have what she has, so but I have the Milani Baked Blush in what is this? Luminoso, which is also a peachy tone. So let's do this one. Oh shoot, why can I not open it? I'll be using my MAC 129 SE. Looks really nice. Okay, so let's see what's next.
I just got this highlighter in the mail. It's from the Jeffree
Alright, so
Star
for her highlighter, I
Cosmetics
don't have the same
Summer
highlighter as
Collection.
she does.
This pink chrome
However, I'm
packaging
going
is
to
so
use
dope.
the Becca
This color
Shimmer
is just like
highlighter.
the craziest, most just like amazing, intriguing color to me. It's called...
Alright, so I'm going to be using a smaller brush for me. Please tell me you see that. It's so nice. Oh my goodness. I really love it. Guys, I can feel it. We're almost finished. Whew, this is a long makeup tutorial.
And with my favorite lip liner recently, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude Lip Cheat. Such a beautiful color.
So I don't have the lip liner that she has. However, I have the MAC in the shade In Control, and I'm going to use that. And I'm just gonna what else?
Now I'm going to pick up some Blush Nude by Tom Ford, which is one of my favorite nude lipsticks ever. I'm just going to go ahead and put that right over top of it.
There's a really pretty shade. I think I'm going to get that too. Okay, so I don't have that. Again, I don't have it. I have the MAC Cosmetics lipstick in shade Meh. It's in matte finish. It's in matte finish. Off. It is a little bit of blush pink. Let's see if it's nice. This is it, you guys. I really like it.
Then over top of that, I'm going to go in with the Dior Lip Maximizer Lip Gloss in the shade 001. This has been like...
Okay, I don't have any gloss that's about the same thing, so I think I'll just end it here. And I really like it, you guys. I don't know. You guys tell me, do you think I nailed it? I don't know. She did her makeup better than I did. She's a professional after all, but yeah, this is what I can do. I was really scared that I could not nail it, but I did. I think I did. I don't know, guys. You tell me in the comment section below what you think of this. And yeah, so thank you for watching my videos, and please hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and if you have any more other suggestions, don't forget to comment down below and I will try to make it happen. And if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate it, and thank you for those people who've been supporting me up to this very moment. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!